Okay, so this is crazy. We got the valve cover gasket off. The valve cover off.
Welcome and welcome back. I'm BK, and this is my cartoon life. So today we're gonna head to the junkyard and see if those shocks are available. This thing's tough. Yeah, we should have known they're gone. The springs are here though. Wonder if that's everything for it.
It's a bummer, but it's what I expected. I'm gonna keep looking around, see if we find anything. It's another Yaris. It's really nice in here. Really nice in here. Seat's okay. It's not great. It's missing this whole side part. Hey, these Falcons look pretty good. They're 16s, which is huge, so I'm not sure. Not in the market right now, but that would be really cool to put the fog lamps on. So yeah, this is our junkyard journey haul. We ended up picking up the lowering springs for the rear because that's all that was available, but this was 40 bucks. Do you think we should try to sell them on eBay or put them on the Yaris?
Okay, so now we're gonna head, I think I'm gonna just check out the Henderson junkyard.
It's really funny, you know, 20, 17, 18, 15, 14.
Tire hunting is like low-key maddening.
Because sometimes you find good stuff and then it's just like there's only one of them, and
dang, I really like these. They look so cool.
Found 3 of them. Oh, if we could get the last one, that'd be so cool. This a gem. It's beautiful. Just don't make cars this cool anymore. I wonder if it has the wheels. I see 2, 3. Dang, look how cool this looks in here.
It's actually very nice still. Wow. Wow, I bet they were sad when this...
Dang. At those but the tires are really messed up, and I found this guy's super light. These are pretty light, not as light as the AR-25s we have, but
Uzi Racing or whatever. Is this gonna hold air?
Well, I'll hold air, but
This one's pretty
like messed up.
they're really light. They're lighter, I think, than the American Racings I have. Which is like, will that hold air? I don't think this will. I think it's not worth it. We were there all day. It's like 2 o'clock right now. We didn't get anything though.
So I just got done talking with the owner of the Matrix, and they're gonna bring it by a little later, and we're gonna start working on that. So in the vlog, we're gonna, you know, do progressions like we normally do, but I'm also gonna make a separate video that's how to replace the valve cover gasket, how to replace the intake manifold gasket, and then those will be separate and we'll release those separately. So I'm pretty excited about it. Let me know if you like the structure rather than just like cramming everything into the vlog.
Just waiting on the Matrix, so...
No way, man. My tripod broke. I think it came loose because I left it on the cart when we were pushing the cart around the junkyard, so it kept rattling around. I think it got lost there. So, I don't know. Man, it's been not a great day. It's okay, though. We'll keep moving forward. These are the coilovers for the rear. Obviously, we missed out on the front ones because we were being cheap. Today we have this 2006 Toyota Matrix. This is a common wear item if you don't have the orange one. And apparently this as well has an improved version, which is what this one is.
Look, we're already missing a bolt. That's not a good sign. I've never done this before, but it kind of scares me that these bolts are so loose. Like, somebody definitely tried to do this. All of the bolts have been pretty easy. They're mostly just 10 mils along the side of the head, but this one is a bit challenging. I needed to get this 10 mil in there and then kind of turn it. Okay, so I started prying with that and then pulling up, and then it started to move, so you can see it.
Okay, so this is crazy. We got the valve cover gasket off. The valve cover off. And it's bent here. Literally bent here. I first thought I caught it up against this, but like there's no way. I would have felt and heard like a shrink, shrink, shrink. Like nothing really happened. I just pulled it off. So that was like, ooh, it's frustrating. Just spent like all day at the junkyard, so we could have got one there. And so I guess tomorrow we're gonna be back to the junkyard, which is cool. I like the junkyard or whatever. But yeah, I'm a little stressed about this now, but it's okay. We're almost there. Pretty wild, right? Like that's wild. Have you ever seen anything like that? Man, not having a tripod's gonna be terrible. I'm gonna have to order one tonight. What a day, huh? We keep running into these weird small problems. So, well, honestly, the valve cover being like completely destroyed is not a small problem. That sucks, honestly. But tomorrow we're pretty much stalled on that project now, so I want to start getting prepared for the MR2 stuff, but remember, I want to make structured videos, or at least step by step. So I'm gonna spend some time and clean up the space and try to get organized. I basically just sporadically cleaned the garage for a little bit, but today I feel like we kind of encountered a lot of losses, or at least a lot of roadblocks. Well, the good news here is it kind of makes everything make sense, you know? Hopefully it was like somebody tried to change it, then didn't change it, dropped it, and I don't know. We'll never know, we weren't there. Has anything this ridiculous happened to you before? If so, let me know. Tomorrow we'll be back at the junkyard to get a valve cover gasket for our 1ZZ Toyota Matrix. Stay tuned for that. I appreciate you, and I'll see you tomorrow.